The dream of the open road has taken many forms over the decades, from the rugged pull-behind trailers of the mid-century to the massive bus-sized motorhomes that dominate American interstates. However, there is a specific segment of the automotive world that has recently captured the collective imagination of adventurers and digital nomads alike, and that is the high-end camper van. Today, we are looking at a vehicle that stands at the very top of that food chain. Mercedes-Benz has once again proven that they understand the intersection of utility and opulence better than perhaps any other manufacturer on the planet. Their latest camper van offering is not just a vehicle, it is a meticulously engineered mobile sanctuary that promises to take you to the edge of civilization without ever making you feel like you have left the comfort of a five-star hotel. This model is creating waves across the industry because of its unique ability to house two distinct sleeping areas and a fully functional built-in kitchenette, all within a footprint that remains manageable on narrow coastal roads and in crowded city centers. When you first approach this new Mercedes-Benz camper, the pedigree is immediately apparent. It retains the sleek, sophisticated lines that define the modern Mercedes design language, looking more like a premium passenger shuttle than a traditional recreational vehicle. The front fascia features the iconic three-pointed star nestled in a refined grille, flanked by high-performance LED headlights that provide exceptional visibility for those late-night arrivals at a remote campsite. But as any seasoned traveler knows, the true value of a camper van is hidden beneath the skin. This van is built on a platform that emphasizes ride quality and safety, utilizing the latest in German engineering to ensure that the journey is just as enjoyable as the destination. It is a vehicle designed for those who want to explore the world on their own terms, offering a level of flexibility that traditional hotels simply cannot match. The centerpiece of this vehicle's appeal is undoubtedly its interior architecture. Stepping through the sliding side door is like entering a masterclass in space optimization. The designers have managed to create a living environment that feels open and airy despite the physical constraints of a van chassis. This is achieved through a combination of high-quality materials and a clever modular layout.
The front seats are not just places to sit while driving. They feature a swivel function that allows them to turn 180 degrees, facing the rear of the van to create a social lounge area. In the middle of this space, you will find a sturdy, stowable table that serves as a dining area, a workstation, or a place to plan the next day's adventures. The use of premium upholstery and soft-touch surfaces throughout the cabin reinforces the feeling that this is a true Mercedes-Benz product, built to the highest standards of luxury. Positioned along the side of the van is the built-in kitchenette, which is a marvel of compact engineering. While many vans in this category rely on portable stoves or external setups, Mercedes has integrated a permanent culinary station that would make a professional chef jealous. It features a high-efficiency stove, a deep stainless steel sink with a sophisticated water system, and a surprising amount of preparation space. Beneath the counter, you will find a high-performance refrigerator that runs on a dedicated battery system, ensuring your perishables stay fresh even when you are parked miles away from the nearest power outlet. The cabinetry is finished in a sleek, modern aesthetic with soft-close hinges and secure latches that prevent rattling while you are on the move. This kitchenette allows travelers to prepare gourmet meals in the middle of a national forest or by the side of a serene lake, adding a level of independence that is core to the van life experience. One of the most talked about features of this specific model is the inclusion of two separate sleeping areas, making it a viable option for families or small groups of friends. The first sleeping area is located in the main cabin. Through a clever folding mechanism, the rear passenger bench transforms into a flat, comfortable bed in a matter of seconds. Mercedes has paid close attention to the quality of the mattress and the support system, ensuring that you get a restful night's sleep even in the wilderness. The second sleeping area is located in the pop-up roof. With the push of a button or a simple manual lift, the roof expands upward to reveal a secondary sleeping loft. This upper bed often features panoramic views through the zippered windows of the roof tent, allowing you to wake up to the sunrise over the mountains or the ocean. This dual-level sleeping arrangement is a game-changer, providing privacy and separation that is rarely found in vehicles of this size.
Technology also plays a massive role in making this Mercedes camper van the ultimate travel companion. It comes equipped with the latest version of the MBUX infotainment system, which offers intuitive voice control, satellite navigation, and seamless smartphone integration. But the tech goes beyond just entertainment. A centralized control panel, often accessible via a dedicated app, allows the owner to monitor every aspect of the van's life support systems. From checking the water levels in the fresh and gray tanks to monitoring the state of charge in the auxiliary batteries, the van keeps you informed and in control. The interior lighting is also fully customizable, with dimmable LED strips that allow you to set the perfect ambiance for a cozy evening inside. This level of connectivity and control ensures that even those who are new to camping will feel confident and comfortable from their very first trip. Under the hood, the Mercedes-Benz camper is powered by a range of efficient yet powerful engines that provide the torque needed for mountain climbs and the refinement needed for high-speed cruising. The suspension has been tuned specifically for the weight of a fully loaded camper, providing a stable and composed ride that masks the vehicle's size. Furthermore, the van is packed with a suite of driver assistance systems, including active brake assist, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system that makes parking in tight spots a breeze. These features ensure that even after a long day of driving, you arrive at your destination feeling refreshed and ready to explore. It is this holistic approach to design, where comfort, utility, and safety are given equal priority, that makes the Mercedes-Benz camper van such a compelling proposition. As we look toward the future of travel, it is clear that more and more people are looking for ways to escape the crowds and find their own unique paths. The Mercedes-Benz camper van, with its 2 sleeping areas and integrated kitchen, provides the perfect tool for that journey. It offers a level of freedom that is hard to describe until you have experienced it for yourself. The ability to wake up in a new place every morning with all the comforts of home right there with you. It is an investment in experiences and memories, built by a company that has been defining the automotive landscape for over a century.
Whether you are a weekend warrior looking for the perfect getaway vehicle or a full-time traveler seeking a life of adventure, this Mercedes camper stands ready to be your home away from home, wherever the road may lead.